Do you like clams? And do you like pizza? Well, we're putting it all together because I'm making a white clam pizza, or better known as a Vongole pizza. Let go of that pasta. It's all going on top of a pizza. So what I've done is I've spread out my pizza dough. On the grill it goes. I'm at about 400 degrees. All the burners are on, and that's gonna take, like I said, about 5 to 7 minutes. I've already steamed my clams, and I used a deep dish, no frills pan to do that in so that I could keep all of the juice. I know this doesn't look like very much, but let me tell you, this stuff is like golden sauce, okay? So what goes into this white clam pizza? Of course, I've shucked my clams, I've chopped them up, I've got parsley and garlic, and sometimes I finish it off with a little bit of red pepper because I love red pepper on my white clam pizza. And of course, you always finish off with a drizzle of olive oil. I'm gonna put all the ingredients together and saute them a little bit, and then all of that's gonna go right on top of the pizza. What I'll do is I'll put it back on the grill for a very short time. Vongole pizza. Isn't it amazing how this can turn into that? Our very own white clam pizza, folks, or a Vongole pizza if you want to call it. So what I said before, I love topping it off with a little bit of red pepper, and parsley is always invited on this pizza, and a little drizzle of your favorite olive oil as a finishing touch. I want you to keep experimenting with seafood, and why not put it on a pizza?